We are in the forest right now with the waterfall. Oh Lord. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Wow. Okay. Nice. 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 That's a waterfall right there. Careful, Mom. Careful.
Oh, snap.
Careful. Look at that beautiful waterfall. A beautiful Santa Carry rocks right there. Nice.
Alright, don't let me fall down here. So how is water coming through the...
Yeah,
through the rocks right here? No. No. Out now. It's going through the rocks right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. I don't know. I'm here. We're going deeper into the forest to get a better view of that waterfall. Yeah, I'm trying. Slow and steady wins the race.
You're gonna have to carry your own drink.
Okay, I can do that. Put it under my arm. Nature is dangerous.
It can't be.
I'm scared of nature now. There's some more right there. Oh wow, look at all this water over here. All this water. And now it smells like fish. All this mud and crap. Oh wow, there we go. This is nature for you. Whoever said exploring nature is fun. Nature, ooh, it's scary. Look at that beautiful waterfall. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh. Yeah, he can go. He can go jump in that massive thing. Look at how beautiful it is. So beautiful. Nature is scary. I don't like it no more. It used to be beautiful, but now it's scary.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, this part is beautiful. But everything else is really terrifying down that way. My dad has an idea. Uh-oh. He's testing out the water. Oh, nice.
I thought about that, but no.
Beautiful. So beautiful. Wait.
Take your shoes off.
You go first, Mom. You go first.
Come on, take your shoes off.
Alright, here we go. We're in the water. We're in the water. And then here's snake over there too. See it? It's right there. A snake.
What?
Snake.
It's on the bush over there.
Yeah.
It's along the edge, though, ain't it?
Yeah. We're in the water. We're in the water. Look how majestic this is. So cool.
Whoa, what was that?
What?
Something